We are pleased to show you
The 2018 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, air conditioning, anti-theft security system, cruise control, fog lamps, daytime running lamps, rear view camera. Come see the car for yourself.